do you think? You think we're warm enough to go on our... Come on! Tucker, are you ready to go to the park? Yeah, okay. Gotta wait so Papa can pull out the car. Good boy. All right, here we go. This way. This way. Come here. Ready? Up, up, up. Good boy. You losing your mind again? Ready? Go! Come on! Good. Say 1, 2, 3. Sit. Are you thirsty? Yes. Okay. T, why do you always do this? You snow doggo? Did you get all dirty on your walk? Look at that. Look at the mud. Mud everywhere, and we got to rinse you off in the tub now. You ready? How's that feel, buddy? How's that feel? Does it feel good? What? Do you like your bathtub? You do? How does it feel? Oh, okay. You've been babushka'd.